What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be unboxing and testing out the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Now the new laptop can come in a bunch of different configurations. This is the 15-inch AMD Ryzen, 512 gig, 16 gigs of memory. Let's just open it up and see what it can do. Now the 15-inch comes in two different colors. It comes in the matte black, which I have, as well as the platinum. It is so clean and beautiful. Let's see what we have inside the box. We've got our instructions. This seems like it has a new smell to it. We have a charging cable, as well as the charging brick. That's like all we have inside of it. Now the Surface Laptop 4s will give you all-day battery life, and depending on which one you have, since this is the 15-inch one, it will give you up to 17.5 hours for typical usage. This also weighs 3.4 pounds. Okay, here we go. One finger open. It's always such a smooth, clean experience. I feel like I'm whispering because it's peaceful. Dude, this is really nice. So this does have 15-inch Pixel Sense display. We do have the Surface Pen enabled, as well as 10-point multi-touch. There are different configurations you can get with these devices, the 8 gig, 16 gig, or 32 gig. And also note that the AMD Ryzen Microsoft Edition processor is only available in select configurations. This device does have a USB-C port, USB-A, 3.5mm headphone jack. Also with the front-facing camera, we do have 720p HD f2.0. Okay, I'm gonna download some stuff and I'll be right back. So I've really been enjoying the Surface Laptop 4 for the past week that I've been using it. And right now I figured I would take you guys through kind of what I do every day for my personal workflow. Now, I just had Tyler take some thumbnails of me for this video. So now in Lightroom, I'm gonna pick the one that I like. I usually do a little pre-editing in Lightroom before taking it into Photoshop. Lightroom time. Have you guys heard about this function called auto? So we'll do a little clarity, a little texture. The responsiveness is actually very, very impressive. Look at this, I can pinch in to zoom. So nice having a touchscreen. That's just a rough edit. This isn't gonna be my thumbnail, but I'll just show you guys what I usually do. We will now export large quality to desktop, Photoshop. I believe the thumbnail size of YouTube thumbnail is, what's the thumbnail width? 1280 by 720? I have to Google that every single time. I'm sorry, I have to Bing that every single time. Drag my picture in. Okay, great. Oh, look at that, quick. This is working very nicely. Surface Laptop 4. Okay, well that is just a terrible font. This is something I'm gonna have to work on, because this is, whoa, what did I just do? I've never done that before. I'm having a very nice experience with this laptop. It is able to handle everything that I want to do. Now, people were like, oh, you should edit in Premiere, but I edit in Final Cut. So that is the one thing that I can't do on here, but I can do everything else. Another thing that I use every day on my laptop is the camera. The one thing about Surface devices is the camera has never let me down. The screen on this laptop also looks really good, but I feel like the camera, it's doing a really good job. Now there's a lot of different like lights and shadows, and look at this, it's actually able to pick up like those bushes behind me. It's adjusting very well to the light. I'm impressed. All right, so let's test out the speakers. Let's listen to, not my latest video. Let's click the Xbox Series X mini fridge video. I have no idea what it is. Sounds pretty good. Usually when that happens, we turn on the camera, we turn on the other camera, and we just roll with it. Let's open it up. I actually don't know if I can physically put it on my desk. Guess we'll see. Oh my God, oh, use your legs. All right, so the speakers sound pretty good. Not as loud as I would like them to be, but I feel like it's a pretty decent level. So it passed the camera test, it passed the editing test of photos, it obviously passed the typing test because I have been typing on this all day, emails, Word documents, non-stop typing, and I'm a big fan. Oh, we have a Creative Cloud, it's updated. So now will it pass the gaming test? Let's see. I've got the nice Pulse Red controller. Going to connect this to Bluetooth. I downloaded Microsoft Flight Simulator, and this is a massive game, and it was basically suggested to not try it on this device. So naturally I said, let's try it. All right, so this loaded and it looks very, very good. Now it's definitely a little bit laggy because it literally said that this shouldn't be running on here. I've also never played this with the controller. I had like the full setup that I was playing on PC, so I'm not even sure of any of the controls. This is not gonna go well. I just wanna see if this can run. Oh. Was that me? Where's the runway? I have no idea where the runway is. Why am I going so fast? Not sure where I'm supposed to go. Okay, so here we're in here. Okay, do you guys see a runway anywhere? Oh gosh, we're losing speed rapidly. Let's try to do a barrel roll at least. Give you guys some action. Ready? Here we go. That was... Okay. All right. Well, you get the point. I overstressed the aircraft, but I'm just excited that this actually runs. So overall, my first impressions of the Surface Laptop 4, I really, really enjoy it. I enjoy how light it is. I enjoy the look of it. The matte black is absolutely beautiful. Being able to do, you know, basically everything that I need to do and game. This keyboard is something that I'm a huge fan of. So typing on this has been a really great experience. And overall, I have nothing but positive things to say about this, and I'm really enjoying it. So this was just like an overall quick first impression video of me using the Surface Laptop 4. There's gonna be a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, and I'm gonna continue playing some games. I'll see you guys later.